Very recently, I had my first month where I made over $10,000 online. I didn't go viral and I didn't spend 16 hours a day trying to create content. In this video, I'm gonna give you the step-by-step strategy and step-by-step guide that I used and that you can use to start making money and have clarity right after this video. So make sure you watch it till the end. And if it's your first time here, my name is Bobby Orr and I have 500,000 followers across all platforms. Now, just to be real with you, I always thought and I always assumed that you had to be somebody or be known or be kind of famous or doing all these trendy videos to make any money online. But when I tried and failed and times 500,000 million times doing that, I finally learned a process that works, and it's the same strategy that I teach all of my students inside of my school community. I quit trying to be a YouTuber and got really clear on the whole why of my channel. Like basically, I got really clear on defining my avatar. And here's what I mean. I started thinking about who do I want to serve? What problem do I want to solve? And how do I want to help them to solve it to get a transformation? So I didn't just target creators. I didn't just target YouTubers. I targeted purpose-driven creators, mainly beginners or people that were kind of new, to build something greater around a purpose and create a great living doing what they love, make a lot of money while doing it, but also have a life that was fulfilling instead of just trying to make a bunch of money. But here's how I got to that number. I used to do one-on-one coaching, channel audits, and basically strategy audits. And this was great because I was one-on-one. I got my clients some really good results. But here's the best part of how I actually attracted those clients from the get-go. Most of my videos that actually brought in the most clients or revenue were less than 1,000 views. But they didn't have broad reach or broad appeal, but they had very crystal clear focus. They helped one person solve one specific type of problem and show them how to solve it in a very simplified way. And when I stopped overthinking, posting daily, and trying to have a quantity of content but focus on quality, that is when everything changed. And honestly, at first, it really kind of scared me because it felt too good to be true. But I realized something. We are in a trust recession. A lot of people have been lied to. There's a lot of things coming out every other day online. And the other reality is a lot of people are living lives of quiet despair. They are working at a job they hate. They have a lot of regret because they never did that one thing. And the reality is no one's promised tomorrow. So my audience was pretty vast in a sense that there are a lot of people out there that are hurting and that feel like they've been lied to. So just being authentic, being real and genuine, and sharing my wins, my losses, and showing that I've achieved the transformation, I can help them, that really spoke volumes. The process that you can follow right now is create content that speaks to a real pain for one specific type of person. The next step is link it to one offer. After that, you want to show up consistently and post consistently. This will begin to build your audience and they will begin to know, like, and trust you and want to take the next step because your offer is built around the whole core mission of your channel. So it's kind of the obvious thing that they would want to go and take the next step with you on the transformation path. And as a thank you for watching this far, I have a free gift for you. In today's video description, you can get my free viral title outlier guide. It's going to give you over 20 proven titles and video ideas that you can use for creating your next piece of content. It's plug and play. It works for any niche. The fourth thing is let the system bring the right people. So don't try and reach everybody because you'll reach nobody, but get really clear on who you want to help. No DMing, no hard selling. Your audience will want to support you. But here's a pro tip. You do have to have valuable content. So the way that I always like to gauge this is when I have a script or when I have a video, after your viewers watch your video, you want them to be thinking, wow, I can't believe this was free. I would have paid for this. I can't imagine what it's like to actually work with this person if this is what their free stuff is giving me. So basically, don't gatekeep, don't be dishonest, and really care about your audience and care about serving them at the highest level. Serve first mentality. So in saying that, I just want to break this down very simply for you. You don't need a big following. You don't need to be the best. You just need one clear person to serve, one problem that you solve, and a clear offer to help them solve it. So if you've been posting videos that aren't really doing anything, it's not really the algorithm, It's the alignment with your audience. And if you want a real business that funds your life and you want to be able to do what you want to do and make a great living while doing it, you don't need a better camera. You don't need to run paid ads. You need better clarity, a better system, and a better strategy to bring it all together. And that's exactly what I help my students do in my school community. But to do all this, now that you have clarity in a system, you need to keep your viewers engaged, because YouTube really only cares if people click and if people watch. And the best way to make sure they watch for the rest of your videos is to master powerful storytelling. And I want to help you out with that even further. So make sure you watch this video, and I'll see you over there.